विद्यार्थी मित्रो, आपण पुढला पॉइंट म्हणजे त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती पाहणार आहोत. डायइलेक्ट्रिक अँड पोलरायझेशन. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय डायइलेक्ट्रिक अँड पोलरायझेशन? Dielectric means non-conducting material. We know that materials are classified into three types: conductor, non-conductor, or it is called insulator. Conductor, insulator, and semiconductors. The non-conductor material is nothing but dielectric. The dielectric are insulates which can be used to store the energy. This material, that is dielectric material, is used to store the electrical energy. When such dielectric or non-conducting material, placed in external electric field, suppose E, the external electric field, then the charge, that is positive charge and negative charge, are separate from each other and they are moves opposite to each other or get displaced opposite to each other. These two charges, positive charge and negative charge, displaced opposite to each other, and molecule develop the net electric dipole. The molecule develop net electric dipole. This is called polarization of the material. That concept is called polarization of given non-conducting material. It's called the polarization. This non-conducting material are kept in electric field, then the charge, so many positive charge travel at one side and negative charge travel opposite to the positive charge, and hence there is formation of net electric dipole, and such phenomenon is called polarization of that material. These materials are, for example, glass. This is non-conducting material or dielectrics. Wax, water, wood, mica, rubber, stone, plastics. These are the dielectric material. When such materials are kept in electric field, then there is formation of net dipole moment, and this is called the polarization. This polarization, or suppose polarization of material, the material are of two types, or these dielectric materials are of two types. First type is polar dielectrics. First type is called polar dielectrics, and second type is called non-polar dielectrics. That means the material, non-conducting material called dielectrics, when this dielectric is kept in field, external field, there is formation of polarization of material. Then that material are of two types: polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. First we discuss about the polar dielectrics. What is meant by polar dielectrics? A molecule in which we already studied the every substance or molecule contain positive charge and positive charge protons and negative charge electrons, and these electrons are revolved around the center of given atom or molecules. Polar dielectrics means a molecule in which the center of mass of the positive charge, that means nucleus, or nucleus contain proton, the center of mass, or called, we say, nucleus, or positive charge or proton does not coincide with the center of mass of the negative charge, that is electron, does not coincide with the center of mass of charge, that is negative charge or electron, because of asymmetric shape of molecule. Because of asymmetric shape of molecule, and this is called polar dielectric. This is called polar dielectrics. That means in polar dielectric, the center of mass of positive charge and center of mass of negative charge does not coincide, because these are asymmetric, and such dielectrics are called polar dielectrics. In polar dielectrics, the positive charge proton and negative charge electron does not coincide with each other, and these are asymmetric shape. Hence, such dielectrics are called polar dielectrics. For example, HCl, water, alcohol, NH3 are the polar dielectrics. Also, the polar dielectric, they have permanent dipole moment. In polar dielectric, they have permanent dipole moment, but this is very, very small, hence called tiny dipole moment. This, in polar dielectric, there is formation of permanent dipole moment, but this dipole moment is very, very small, hence called tiny electric dipole, and this is about 10 raised to minus 13 coulomb meter. Hence, this is very, very small. The structure of this polar dielectric is shown in figure, or is shown in given figure, that is the molecule HCl. This is the structure of polar dielectric. Then we study the second type of dielectric called non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. In polar dielectrics, the positive charge and negative charge. But in non-polar molecule, a molecule in which the center of mass of the positive charge coincide with the center of mass of negative charge due to symmetry. Due to symmetry of symmetry of molecule, and this is called non-polar dielectrics. In polar dielectrics, these two charge, positive charge and negative charge, does not coincide, but in non-polar molecule, the positive charge and negative charge are coincide because of symmetry, and this is called non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. In non-polar dielectrics, there is no permanent dipole moment or zero dipole moment in non-polar molecule. In polar molecule, there is very small dipole moment, about 10 raised to minus 13 coulomb, but in case of non-polar molecules, there is no permanent electric dipole moment, that is zero dipole moment. The non-polar dielectrics are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, CO2, benzene, etc. These are the examples of non-polar dielectric, and structure of non-polar dielectric is shown in figure, that is the non-polar dielectrics hydrogen. This is about the polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. In polar dielectric, positive charge and negative charge does not coincide because of their asymmetric structure or shape. This is called polar dielectrics. In non-polar dielectrics, the positive charge center and revolving electron, that is negative charge, are coincide because of symmetry. This is called non-polar molecules. In polar molecules, there is small tiny dipole moment, but there is no dipole moment, that is zero dipole moment. These are the examples of polar molecules, polar dielectrics, and these are the examples of non-polar dielectrics. And the structure of polar dielectrics, and this is the structure of non-polar dielectrics. Thank you.